An ingrown toenail happens when the corner or edge of your toenail curves and grows into the surrounding skin. This may cause pain, redness, and swelling. The condition is very common in both men and women. Your big toe is most likely to be affected. There's no straight answer for what causes ingrown toenails. But it could be anything from your attire to your workout to your grooming habits. Tight-fitting shoes, for instance, can heighten your risk of getting an ingrown toenail. If your shoes fit too tight around the toes, it puts more pressure on the front of your foot, pushing your toes into the end. How to get rid of ingrown toenails. 1. Apply antibiotic ointment. Using over-the-counter antibiotic ointment or cream can promote healing and help reduce the risk of infection. Apply the ointment to the affected toenail following the manufacturer's instructions, usually up to 3 times daily. These ointments include Neosporin, Polysporin, and Bactroban. Be sure to bandage the toenail after application. 2. Wear comfortable shoes and socks. Shoes and socks that are too tight can crowd your toes. This is considered to be a leading cause of ingrown toenails. To help prevent an ingrown toenail from developing or worsening, wear shoes and socks or hosiery that fit but still leave ample space in the toe bed. During the healing process, avoid shoes or wear sandals as much as possible to limit pressure on your toenails. 3. Soak in warm, soapy water. Soaking the affected foot may help reduce swelling and ease the pain. You can soak your foot in warm, soapy water 3 times a day for up to 20 minutes at a time. Castile soap is a good option. Adding Epsom salts to the water may bring additional relief. 4. Use a toe protector. A toe protector provides a cushioning barrier for ingrown toenails. Toe protectors are available as rings that fit around the affected area or as a covering for the entire toe. Some brands of toe protectors come with a medicated gel to help soften toenails for easy trimming. Use the treatment as directed until the ingrown toenail is gone. 5. Try a toe brace. Toe braces are usually made of thin, adhesive, composite material and are glued to the top of your toe. They're meant to help shield your skin from a sharp, ingrown nail and lift the nail edges as your nail grows. Toe braces are available online and in some pharmacies. 6. Consider nail removal. If an ingrown toenail doesn't improve with home remedies, partial or full removal of the nail may be necessary. Using a local anesthetic, a doctor may remove part of the nail's border, the underlying nail bed, or part of the middle growth plate. In severe, recurring cases, the entire ingrown nail may be removed. This is the last resort and a potentially painful solution that may increase your risk of infection. It also increases the risk that your toenail will be misshapen as it grows back. This information may help you. If you like this video, hit like and comment on this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our Green Info channel.